Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is That Cool Check, and today you'll be binging upon my Chandigarh vlog, and I hope you enjoy it. I started down at Rajiv Gandhi International Airport. This was my first flight post COVID, and I was amazed to see that nothing has changed. The same crowd, the same old hush hush, but to a plot twist, we now wear a PPE kit and a plastic helmet. I boarded my flight around 4 in the evening, and trust me when I say this, I have never seen such a beautiful and breathtaking view in my life. I landed in Chandigarh around 7 in the evening, and my first thought as soon as I landed in Chandigarh was, it's cold. I mean, the weather in Chandigarh was damn cold. The best part about the entire trip was I get to meet my best friend and I get to spend few days with her. I mean, I cannot trade this day with anything else in my life, and I'm really happy that I met her. We only had 2 days in our hands, so the first day we wanted to make the maximum use of our time. We started off with the Japanese garden located in Sector 31A. The garden consists of the pagoda, the meditation center, Buddha idol, and the water bodies. In short, the garden is just a visual treat to the eyes. Our next stop was the Rock Garden. The Rock Garden is founded by Nek Chand Saini, a government official, who started the garden secretly. The garden is most famous for its sculptures made from recycled ceramic, and also to mention the man-made interlinked waterfalls. In short, the rock garden was just amazing treat to your eyes. We next moved to Sukna Lake. Located in the heart of the city, Sukna Lake is for sure the real gem of Chandigarh city. The beautiful and breathtaking sunset and the mild chilliness in the wind suits our mind and soul in another level. And enjoying the moment is all we did, and we ended our day. The next day, we have decided to go to Elonte Mall. We started off by booking the tickets for Wonder Woman, but actually ended up on being a private show, as I and my friend were the only two in the entire hall. And I had never had such an experience in my whole life. Well, the movie was pretty bland. We enjoyed our private show like anything. It took us nearly an entire day to go around and around of Elante Mall. In short, Elante was humongous and still is in a way. After nearly spending half of the day shopping and watching movie, we settled down to eat good food. And when I say good food, I want my food to be really good. So what better place than Pirates of Grill? And at the end, what else do we need more? I mean, it's a good day and let's call it off because tomorrow is the day I'm leaving. Goodbyes are hard, and this time it was really hard for me to leave. And here I am saying goodbye to you, Chandigarh. You may be cold at first, but you were a warm breeze of freshness in my life. So, this is That Cool Chick signing off, and I hope you enjoyed my vlog. Thank you.